David, John Ilsley on bass, and their legendary drummer from the early albums, and Pete.
Well, it's like accountant versus chartered accountant.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? I never went to dentistry school or anything like that.
No, you've had teeth your whole life.
Yeah, but it's like, and also it's amazing what you can find on YouTube.
Yes.
And I came across, it was actually at a flea market.
Where each of you are going to get a guess. Why are people...